our 60-inch natural gas salamander broiler. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches. 60 inches length by 18 3/4 in depth. And the overall height from the bottom to the top of the gas pipe, a total of 23 1/4 inches. Measurements for the interior, 13 1/2 inches in depth. That's from the back to the front of the shelf. A length of 58 inches. And the overall height of 11 inches. The bottom, left and right, two of the trays can be removed for disposal of waste and cleaning. And the main shelf can be adjusted from the first, second, or third level. Currently, this is adjusted to the second level. Left and right burners. And located in the side is your ETL NSF certification, along with the natural gas information. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.